Okay, question 14. Olga wants to paint one side of a garden wall. The wall is 2 meters high and 35 meters long. She's found the following information about the special paint that she needs. It is only sold in 5 litre and 2 litre tins. 1 litre is enough to cover an area of 6 meters squared. The tins are sold at a price of £12 for a 5 litre tin, £6 for a 2 litre tin. Showing all your calculations, find the least amount she has to pay for enough paint to cover the wall. Okay, let's sort of highlight the key information here, right? Obviously 2 meters high, 35 meters long, and we've got a diagram here, so that's quite clear for us. But what's important is that she needs to paint one side of the garden wall. Okay, I've seen these questions before where they ask you to paint both sides. Okay, and so you have to be clear on that. But it's obvious here, it's just one side. Okay, it's just this side here. So you've got bullet points here, right, which we're going to use as we go through this question. So first of all, what I think we need to do is to work out what coverage is needed. Okay, so we need the area here of this wall. Okay, quite simply, of course, isn't it? Area is a rectangle, isn't it? So area of wall will be length times width, okay, which is 35 times 2, right, which is 70 meters squared. Okay, now it says here the paint is sold in 5 litre and 2 litre tins. 1 litre is enough to cover an area of 6 meters squared. Okay, I think that's quite important, isn't it? Because we need to know how much paint we need. Okay, when you go to the shop, you need to know how many litres of paint will be needed to cover this wall. And we know something here. We know 1 litre will cover 6 meters squared. So seeing as we want to cover 70 meters squared, we need to work out how many 6 meters squared there are going to be. Okay, that are going to be needed. Now, of course, if you think about it, there are 10 of these here, would give you 60. Okay, so 10 litres. If 1 litre covers 6 meters squared, yeah, 1 litre covers 6 meters squared, 60 meters squared, you'd need 10 litres, wouldn't you, if you think about it that way? Yeah, so to multiply that area, make it 10 times bigger, you'd need to multiply the amount of paint, so you'd have 10 litres. We want 70 meters squared, so we're sort of getting close to it, aren't we? If I had another litre, so I made that 11 litres, okay, then obviously I'd need to add on 6, so I'd get 66 meters squared. Okay, it's not quite enough, isn't it? I need 70 meters squared. Okay, so if I only buy 11 litres, then I'm going to be short, aren't I? I'm going to be short. So if I buy another litre, 12 litres, that will give me another 6 meters squared, so that will be 72 meters squared in total. Now that will cover my wall sufficiently. Okay, I'm probably going to have paint left over, aren't I? But seeing as you know, they sell the paint in 5 litres and 2 litre tins, okay, in whole litre tins, I'm going to have to go with 12 litres. Okay, I can't sort of try and find 11 litres and maybe a half or something like that. I've got to go for a whole litre, so I'll go for 12 litres, and that way then I know that I'm going to cover 70 meters squared. Okay, so in terms of 12 litres, well, they sold in 5 litres and 2 litres, and I want 12 litres. So if I get 2 lots of 5 litres, well, that will give me 10, won't it? That will give me 10 litres and 1 lot of 2 litre tin. Okay, so I've got 2 5 litre tins, 1 2 litre tins. That will give me 12 litres, won't it? Okay, so 2 5 litre tins. Well, we've got a price here, haven't we, for 5 litres? It's £12. Okay, £12. So 2 of them will be 2 times £12, plus then 1 2 litre tin. So a 2 litre tin is £6. So we've got £24 plus £6, so that gives me £30. Okay, so we've worked out then the cost to make sure that we cover the wall. Okay, that's the least amount really she will have to pay to cover the wall.